Using the FreshVac Pump with the single-serve cup is quick and easy. First, place your cup on the counter and load ingredients, making sure all ingredients are below the max liquid line. Then, secure the Pro Extractor Blades assembly and flip. Open the flip and seal lid and set the FreshVac Pump on top of the FreshVac tab. To activate the pump, press down on the power button located on the top of the pump. Once the pump is activated, a white light will appear. When a vacuum seal has been reached, a green light will illuminate and the pump will power off. To remove the pump, press down firmly on the pump release button and lift up. Close the flip and seal lid and blend as desired. Once blending is complete, open the flip and seal lid. Gently lift the FreshVac tab until the vacuum seal is released. The vacuum seal must be released before removing the blade assembly. Twist on the spout lid and enjoy.